we've got one last international opportunity to point out to you, and that's a company called Lululemon Athletica. It's Canadian, but it's really a designer and retailer of athletic apparel, especially yoga clothes for women. Started out in Canada, as I said, then moved to the United States of America. Premium pricing, so expensive stuff, nothing less than $100 per outing. But it's a big player and it's very, very well regarded. People absolutely love the stuff. They bring it home from countries where it's available to countries where it's not. It has had a bit of a checkered history though. The founder left under a bit of a cloud. There've been a couple of CEO changes. Smaller, $7.4 billion worth of market cap. Price to earnings ratio of 27.6, not currently paying dividends. So let's have a look at the graph, because unlike Nike and like Under Armour, which has been a one-way up, this one has had a sort of bounce around like Adidas. What do you think, man?
Yeah, I think this company is much more focused sort of on the fashion side of leisure. And for women who want to do athleisure on the high end, they'd prefer wearing this yoga clothes.
So in other words, if you're going to wear your yoga pants all day instead of jeans,
you're not going to want to wear Nike, you're going to want to wear Lululemon.
Like, look all scruffy.
No.
These things are great.
Yeah, so I think most women aspire to wearing Lululemon. And especially if you want to relax, like I said. But beautiful clothing, beautiful design, very much more fashion label in my view than sort of a focused on performance athleticism.
Yeah.
But they are, you know, saying very focused on yoga and this and that. But overall, I think they sort of on the right end of the market again. They focus on the expensive side, where people who want to look good while being active will pay these prices. And that's why when you compare their margins to the rest of the international shares that we just looked at, they've got a net margin of close to 14%, where we look, you know, at Nike with the highest one of close to 11. So it's quite, you know, it's quite a big difference, and that's probably why this company would make a good investment for you.
Because what I've seen is that despite the company's problems related to management shifts and changes and disagreements in the board, the brand still scores very highly as an aspirational brand, specifically for younger women.
It does. And I think, you know, this company being still not the largest could even potentially be a takeover for one of the big players, because they are so focused in a specific area of the market where the other athleisure companies aren't necessarily as focused.
Plus, of course, by virtue of being smaller, they haven't yet done the store rollouts across Europe, across Asia, and they can pick out the high-end stores and malls, because that's what being in the premium end really does for you. It gives you that kind of global cachet. It's like a luxury goods entry point.
Exactly.
Okay, I own these things, and I've always liked them. They've got great stuff for men as well, by the way. Incredible fabrics. My favorite running shoes, not shoes, shirts, in fact, are from Lululemon. Fantastic to wear. So I'm hot on this one.
Me too. I'm very hot on it.
Excellent. Right.